Hello, I'm in a 2010 GMC Yukon XL Denali, and today I'm going to show you how to change your display language between English, Spanish, or French. So first you're going to make sure the vehicle's on, which it is, and then we're going to use these controls here. So we're going to use this checkbox to first get to this display language, press check to change. So now we're going to push this check button, so check, and then we'll just toggle. So I selected English by hitting that check again. But yep, check to get to the change, and then if you push this like grid one here, it'll just toggle between your options. So English, French, Spanish, or no change. So let's say we want Spanish. I'm on this now. I'm gonna now press the check button. So check, select. So now it's all in Spanish. And now let's say I speak English, obviously, so I'm gonna change this all back to English. So again, from the start, we're going to push this check grid here and then display English. I'm going to push the check button and then check to change. So now I'm in English. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.